Hey, what is up guys, welcome back to a brand new video. Hurricane DeFi right here, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to create your own Cryptopunks. Before we start this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell, give me a follow on Twitter and join the Discord below. Let's jump right into it. "24 by 24 pixel, and make sure the background is transparent. Hit create. And just follow me on these steps. I'm going to mention the number of squares. The first layer is going to be for measurement. So select the pencil tool. Make sure the color is black. I'm going to do 7 squares. Create a new layer. 8 squares. I'm going to do the ear, then 2 squares, then 5 squares, 1 square at an angle, 7 squares, another square at an angle, and 13 down. Another square at an angle, 4 squares, another square at an angle, and 1 down. Now I'm going to delete the measurement layer. For the mouth, I'm going to do 3 squares. For the nose, I'm going to do 2. For the eyes, 1 each. So that's the base template. Now we can go ahead and create some backgrounds. Next thing I'm gonna do is to group these layers. Now I'm going to create another layer for the eyes, head, and you can do whatever you want in this part. So I'm just going to do the eyes. Now I'm going to do the skin. And just like that, guys, we have created our own CryptoPunks. Now we need to go to image size. Make sure the resample is ticked and choose nearest neighbor. Now you can do different variations. For example, I'm going to choose this background. This skin color. And this beanie for the head. Just like that, guys, you have created your own CryptoPunks. You can do whatever you want. You can add accessories or anything. That was it, guys, for this video. Like I said, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you guys in the next video.